Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Panda. Today, what are we going to talk about? What is happening with Bitcoin? Where is it gonna go next? Well, you guys don't have to worry about anything. Just sit down, relax, take a chill pill, because right now we are only observing the market. I'm drinking my coffee over here, so like if you guys want to enjoy the coffee while watching my video, you guys can go ahead and do it. But first, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So guys, Bitcoin is trading at $35,000. Ethereum is trading at 2176. Binance is 332. Cardano is 143. $1.43 for Cardano. Something is about to be very huge for Cardano. In 90 days they are coming up with smart contracts. So guys, for long term portfolio, I feel like buying the dips for Cardano is going to be massive, huge. So I really don't want you guys to miss on the Cardano and Suez Polkadot and Chainlink and Solana. These are going to be huge in the upcoming time. In the 7 to 8 months, like this is gonna be massive. And these are the times, like millionaires are made in this bear market because they buy, and you guys only have to hold. I have something amazing for you guys. So let's get into the Bitcoin charts, what's gonna happen and what are my targets for Bitcoin. So guys, I've been telling you about this level, 34,000 level, and if I zoom in, it is exactly playing out as I have predicted. Oh my god. So it is exactly playing as I have predicted. Like it's doing the same thing right now over here in this chart, as you guys can see. So this was the blue trend line which Bitcoin needed to break above, and we saw the red death cross right over here, and this huge sell-off happened because of this death cross. So if you guys know how to do technical analysis, you guys will not be scared, you guys won't panic, and you will not be a part of a panic sell. And this is what I told you guys, that this is a level that if you guys can see Bitcoin tried to break below, but it has been bought back really quickly. The RSI is under 30%, so you guys can also see RSI, and so as MACD. And you guys can go to FX, choose RSI, and choose MACD. So whenever RSI is below 30%, that means it has been oversold. And whenever the RSI is above 70%, that means it has been overbought. So you guys can do long and short position using my link. Go to BYBIT. You're going to get around $650 free of cost. Like it's a bonus. So might as well make money instead of being panicking and getting worried about what's gonna happen in the market. We are in the middle of a bull cycle. We are not gonna go anywhere. Don't worry about what is happening. Just you have to be you have to have control over your emotions and be logical. So Bitcoin is trading at this level. I'm gonna tell you what two scenarios, what I'm thinking can happen. So let me see my brush over here. So if we break down this level, let me show you guys. If we are going to break this level, all right, that is 30,000, 28,000 to 31,000. We can go to really down. We can go to 24,000 technically. That is, I'm gonna tell you technically we can go to $24,000, because there's never, when we were going up from $25,000 to 30,000, it has been bought. Bitcoin did not trade around 24,000 to 30,000, and there was not so much trading at that time. It has just been bought, and that's it. And we saw a 30,000 level very quickly. So, and I feel like this 30,000, you guys can see we have touched this level 3 times, and I feel like it's a liquidation price. Like, a lot of people got liquidated over here, and it has been bought back really quickly. So for long term holders, I'm gonna see, like, how the price is gonna be moving out. But I see this 31,000 mark is a crazy mark, where if Bitcoin can stay above that, it's going to be really really good. So, and we have to follow this trend line. Like, I can, if Bitcoin, so we have to go above this level. All right, this is the resistance line. Like, if we break above, then we are gonna be good. And Bitcoin, it's like more of a decision time right now, so let's see what it happens. But I want to give you a bigger perspective about what is happening in the market. I also want to tell you some of the news regarding Bitcoin. So Portugal grants first crypto exchange operating licenses. The central bank announced the crypto logo and mined the coin will be able to operate in the country. So, like, they have given the license for 2 cryptocurrency exchanges for the first time. So that's a good news. And guys, this is the news, like, smart contract coming to Cardano in 90 days. So, like, this is what's been happening. And you guys can also follow me on Twitter, because that's where I do my instant updates. And like, you guys can see, like, the news regarding the smart contracts coming to Cardano in 90 days. So guys, buy the dips. Like, don't worry about anything. You have to be greedy when other people, when majority 90% of the world are going to be fearful. And this is the time, like, you actually have to buy. Like, you don't have to, like, don't worry about anything. Like, look at the bigger picture. And I'm gonna show you a bigger picture right over here. You guys can see where are we coming from. Like, we have been so down and out. Like, I've seen Bitcoin at $4,000, guys. So for me, $20,000 was a significant mark. And like, we can see this. Like, let me zoom out more. All right. So these are the support levels. This is a weekly chart for Bitcoin, all right? And I want to just give you a perspective that if you're going to take a long over here. So there has been a 53% drop, all right? There has been a 53% drop, and you guys can see, like, this is going to be, let me just show you guys. Yeah, so from over here to over here, like, around 53% drop. And that has been okay, because in the previous cycles, this has been normal. So you guys can see this from over here to over here. So this has been just normal. Like, I know it has been 40% dips, but in 2013, let me show you guys. Right over here, like, Bitcoin was dropping. Like, Bitcoin was doing this, like, all this time. Like, it's nothing new for Bitcoin to do such big drops. You guys can see, like, from over here, so 1 second. Sorry guys, I've been using my laptop and it's hard to, like, use it from the laptop. So you guys can see, like, we have been dropped, like, over here too. I'm just gonna close it. I'm just gonna show you with, like, zoom in. All right, so you guys can see it went all the way back in, then dropped, then there was a correction, and like it went up. So like, you know, if you wanna, don't worry about this. Like you guys can see in 2013 there was a big pump right over here, a drop, and then it went for the bull, like, you know, like the top. This was 2013. Now coming back on 2017, we got this halving. We see this like 2 weeks of drop, and then we saw more drop, and then Bitcoin just went crazy. Bitcoin just went crazy right over here. So this is what, like, you know, what is the potential of it. And you guys can see like, oh my god, like from 1011, from 1100 Bitcoin just started its run, and it topped to 20,000. And this has been just like crazy. And this is what is happening right now. We saw, like, you know, from last year, and we are seeing some dips right over here, but it is gonna go and hit 80,000 to 100,000 by the year's end. And all time, I also want to tell you when, the timing of it, because history tends to repeat itself. So let's see, 11 December, so the second week of December, when in 2017 Bitcoin did it all time high. If I move this more, again, first week of December, and like, you know, we see a big drop in the second week of December. But this is around the same time Bitcoin is going to hit another all-time high this year, first week of December to second week of December. And this is my price prediction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I believe, is not going to zero. Bitcoin cannot go to zero, because the way it has made, it cannot. The only way, like, you know, the Bitcoin can like do and it's gonna go, it's because of like halving purposes. Like it's always gonna go upwards. Like that's how Bitcoin is made. The whole network is made like that. So guys, try to understand the technology behind it, like, you know, rather than like just being in there for like money. There is going to be money, but like, you know, I see a lot of people are panicking right now, and then there's no need to panic. Like if you know what is going on in the market, if you know the cycles, then you guys don't have to worry about anything. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know, and I'm gonna be uploading every day. Stay blessed. See you. Bye bye.